Hi there. Welcome to Stitch. We're going to give you an overview of WhatsApp. If you weren't aware, WhatsApp are releasing their API, which means that businesses will be able to speak to all of the users out there, the billions of WhatsApp users, over WhatsApp. So there are three forms of WhatsApp if you weren't aware. WhatsApp Personal, WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Single User Business, and WhatsApp API. WhatsApp Personal, if you are using it for work-related chat, you are in breach of GDPR, data protection. You are also in breach of WhatsApp's terms and conditions. You are not allowed to use personal WhatsApp for non-personal use. It's in their T's and C's. WhatsApp Business is designed for sort of one-man bands where you are a single user. So you could set up a business account through this and manage chats on an iPhone or Android. Yes, there's a desktop partner version for that, but only one person can access it at a time. WhatsApp API is designed for teams, 2, 3, 4 to hundreds. So sales, for distributed sales and service teams, support teams. I won't go through all these individual features here, but by all means pause the video to have a look in greater detail. So there are a number of ways that a consumer can come in or a customer can come in and WhatsApp a business. They can click through a hyperlink on a website, they can scan a QR code, they can just add your number to their contacts and WhatsApp you. We can enable WhatsApp on your existing main business telephone number. You don't have to assign it to a mobile. And we can even add on SMS to your existing telephone number. So in the same way on a mobile phone, you can call WhatsApp and SMS. You'll be able to do exactly the same off your existing main number or branch numbers. So here we have a way of engaging through clicking on a link there. Here we have an estate agent where they've put the hyperlinks up here. So if I wanted to go straight to the sales team or straight to the lettings team, the message goes straight through to the relevant team. No one has to administer it and field it and slow the process down. In this case here, just got a simple little chat icon down the bottom right. So if we were to click into here, it would fire up my WhatsApp, and for the aid of speed, I'm just going to click straight into this to here. So as a user, imagine I've just clicked on that icon. I can then say, send a message into the business. That's been sent. There's an audible alert on the PC. We get a little red dot in the send the icon up there, and it actually is saying new message. So we click into there and we have a bold unread message. You'll notice that's in the unassigned queue. And by clicking into there, and I can reply back. That now leaves unassigned and it assigns itself to me. And obviously there are various team members there, and we can reassign that message around if need be. We can send files, videos, photos, you name it. It's WhatsApp as you know it. Now what we also have here in the top right, on the right hand side, is a form of CRM where you can customize this view if you wish, but the most important thing here is tags. So you can start building up an image of what the customer is after. So if we take the example of an estate agent, this person could be looking for a 2-bedroom flat of a certain price point. They might want a near the village centre, and it must be near some schools. So we start customizing that data with the client. The chat can go to and fro. Now, the important thing to remember here, if we just go back into open chat, so the chats that are open, you can see who's managing them. Down here, there's your team members who are looking after it. If you want to reassign the message to someone, you simply click in and pass it across to there. And again, I can always take that message back. And all along, there is an audit trail of what's happening on that allocation of the messages. Within the first 24 hours of a message, we can respond with free-form text and images and effectively WhatsApp as you know it. However, after 24 hours, you cannot just send any message to any customer. WhatsApp uses something called notification templates, and if you are looking at a WhatsApp solution that enables you to send a free-form message after 24 hours, it is not an official WhatsApp API solution. So if we wanted to re-engage with this prospect, we click notification, send notification. We select our templated message that's been pre-approved by WhatsApp. We can customize the message fields there, and then we can press send. So we absolutely can re-engage, but as long as it is targeted and relevant to the customer. We also have within our contacts everyone who's come onto the platform, and this is where you can start using tags. So let's just say I'm a negotiator for an estate agency, and I've just taken on instructions for a new 2-bedroom flat of a certain price point. and this one is near the schools. As you can see, we start narrowing down the information, and we can then send a templated message out to that customer. Clearly, WhatsApp has a much higher engagement rate over email, certainly to Gmail and Hotmail accounts. The open rates, if you look at the average stats, are somewhere between 10 and 17% via email, whereas with WhatsApp, we're seeing results of nearly 70 to 80% open rates, and also much quicker open rates. We've also had some analytics, so you can see what your average resolution time for conversations, first reply times, that's all covered there. We also have some automation tools. You have a default reply during working hours, a reply for out of hours, which you can just customize by clicking in there and amending. We can also add keyword responses, so you can have a conversation led by a bot until it hands over to a human. There are many more features on the platform, and if you'd like to find out more, feel free to book in a demo with us, and we'd love to talk to you further. Thank you.